MISP brings project management and Six Sigma classes in UAE with the best instructors, facilities and wealth of global experience.
Okay. First, let me thank you for choosing MISP in your training requirements, sir. So how's your experience here at MISP?
It's a very great training, actually. It gives us a lot of information regarding lean management and Six Sigma.
In a single sentence, how do you rate MISP service quality, deliveries, course contents, and others?
Excellent training for any companies.
Any message to your friends or colleagues who would like to take trainings?
For those companies who want to get trained in Six Sigma and lean management, I recommend